division of fraction. So division of fractions. So division of fractions is of three types. What are them means division of whole number, by a fraction, division of fraction by a whole number, and third one is division of fraction by a fraction. These are the three types of divisions we have to discuss. We have to be discussed in these classes. So division of a whole number by a fraction, and division of fraction number by a whole number, division of fraction by a fraction. So see, first one's example, division of whole number by a fraction. Take one whole number and taking 2, and it will be divided by 1 by 2. So division of whole number by a fraction. So how to divide these two means simply we have to inverse this number. If you inverse this number, it becomes 2 by 1, and now we have to multiply this. So this in this way we have to do divisions now. So if you multiply 2 2s are 1, it becomes 4. 4 is the answer. 2 divided by 1 by 2 means 4. See here, how can you write this means 2 divided by 1 by 2. Like this we can write. Now this denominator term will goes to here. Then it becomes 2 into 2 divided by 1. 2 2s are 4. 4 divided by 1. Simply like this. So inverse this number and multiply with 2. Inverse this number and multiply with 2. Like that we have to do problems. Okay, children. Okay, see another one. 2 divided by 9 by 2. 2 divided by 9 by 2. So dividing a fraction means multiplying the reciprocal of that with that number. Multiplying the reciprocal of this number with that number. Multiplying the reciprocal of this number with this number. So I am multiplying the reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of 9 by 2? Reciprocal means reverse. We have to reverse. Numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator. So the reciprocal of this number is 2 by 9. Because this denominator becomes numerator and this numerator becomes denominator. So it is reciprocal. So 2 2s are, I know the multiplications. We have to multiply the numerators. So 2 2s are 2 into 2 by 9. 2 2s are 4. 4 by 9 is the answer. If you see in another way, 2 divided by 9 by 2. So this 2 becomes goes to here. So 2 into 2 divided by 9, and it becomes 4 by 9. Okay, we have to follow this rule. The division means the reciprocal of the fraction multiplied with this number. Okay, children. See second one, division of fractions by a whole number. Division of fraction. Take one fraction now. I am taking 1 by 2 and over whole number. So I am dividing with the whole number 2. Okay, 1 by 2 divided by 2. So 1 by 2 multiplied with the reciprocal of 2. What is the reciprocal of 2? 2 means 2 by 1. 2 means 2 by 1. So this one becomes numerator and this 2 becomes denominator. So 1 by 2. 1 into 1 by 2 into 2. So 1 by 4. 1 by 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1 by 4. See another one. 6 by 4 divided by 3. 6 by 4 divided by 3 means 6 by 4 multiplied with the reciprocal of 3 means 1 by 3. It becomes 6 into 1 by 4 into 3. 6 by 12 is the answer. So we have to multiply the reciprocal of this number. Okay. See here children, we have to multiply the reciprocal of this 3. And we are multiplying this 1 by 3 because reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3. Okay children. Okay, see example for division of fraction by a fraction. So 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 4 I am taking. 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 4. So these two are fractions now. I am multiplying 1 by 2 with the reciprocal of 1 by 4. What is the reciprocal of 1 by 4? 4 is the reciprocal of 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 into 2. 1 into 4 by 2. So here we are multiplying the numerators only. Numerator with this number. So 4 by 2 is the answer. I am taking another example. 3 by 5 divided by 7 by 2. 3 by 5 divided by 7 by 2. Here we are multiplying 3 by 5 with the reciprocal of the 7 by 2. Reciprocal means the numerator becomes denominator and the denominator becomes numerator. So it becomes 2 by 7. 7 by 2 becomes 2 by 7. So 3 into 2 by 5 into 7. 3 2 is 6 by 5 7 is 35. 6 by 35 is the answer. Like that we are doing divisions. Here we are using the reciprocals. We are multiplying with the reciprocal of that number. Remember this thing. We are multiplying with the reciprocal of that number. Division means reciprocal of multiplication. Okay, division means reciprocal of multiplication. That's why we are taking reciprocal of that number and we are multiplying with that number. Okay children, let's start exercise now. Okay, in exercise 4 these are the two problems given. 18 divided by 3 by 4 first. So 18 divided by 3 by 4 means 18 multiplied with the reciprocal of the 3 by 4. First of all reciprocal of 3 by 4 is, what is the reciprocal of 3 by 4? We have to reverse this and the denominator becomes numerator and the numerator becomes denominator. Now do the problem. 18 multiplied with the reciprocal of 3 by 4 means 4 by 3 we are writing here. So it becomes 18 into 4 by 3. 18 4s are 4 8s are 32 and 3 is remain here. 4 1s are 4 plus 3 72 by 3. Okay. In 3 table if you take division now 3 in 72. Okay. In 3 table 7 2 times 3 2s are 6. So if you take subtraction here 7 minus 6 is equal to 1 and take this carry equal to here. So in 12 4 times 3 4s are 12 and 0. So the answer is 24. Take the coefficient as the answer. If 0 is the remainder, take the coefficient as answer because if you take this as mixed fraction it becomes 24 0 by 6. 0 by 6 means 1. That's why 24 is the answer. Okay children, see this one, 3 divided by 2 1 by 3. So convert this as improper fraction. Here mixed fraction is given. So multiply these two numbers and add 2 3 is 6 and plus 1. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 3. So reciprocal of 7 by 3 is 3 by 7. Now multiply 3 with 3 by 7. So 3 into 3 by 7, that is equal to 3 3s are 9, 9 by 7. Okay children, 9 by 7 is the answer. Okay, I will give some homework problems now. Okay children, do these two problems as homework. Find 8 divided by 7 and 5 divided by 3, 4 by 7 and find the reciprocal of the following. Here four numbers are given. Find the four numbers reciprocals. 5 by 8 reciprocal is 8 by 5 direct. Okay children, thank you. Bye.